How was your experience throughout the dental implant process?
My experience with Shirley has just been very easygoing. Since first coming in for my initial consultation, has just been really straightforward. So it's been a breeze.
Hannah's an example of a patient who is just way too young to have dentures. She was missing a few teeth in her mouth. It is completely embarrassing to be in your 20s and have to take out a piece of plastic. You can imagine you're hanging out with friends or you go on a night out and God forbid these things fall out of your mouth. That will be a moment that you will remember forever.
My fears around the procedure were mainly of the pain, for how long it would take, and probably my fear of the dentist held me back from booking it. But once I got over that, it was just very straightforward and easy from there.
So we were lucky to meet Hannah. We did some implants. She has screwed in teeth now, which are completely undiscernible.
The whole team here in Shirley really looked after me. I think for my initial appointment, they probably could sense the nerves a little bit. So they just reassured me that it was going to be as pain-free as possible. Everyone was just so lovely. The nurses and Dr. Mohammed were great.
Nobody will be able to tell that she has implants, and she will forget about her own implants. That is what we love about dental implants, that they will feel seamless in your mouth. To you, they will just feel like another tooth in your mouth.
Since the procedure, I've been a lot more comfortable and confident. It is a back tooth, so a lot of people wouldn't really notice it, but it was something I was always aware of, like smiling quite big or laughing with my mouth open. It was something I was a little bit concerned about. So since then, I've just been laughing away, carefree.